Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about globalization and the Indian economy. How the interlinking production is taking place across the countries. Usually, MNCs want to minimize their costs and thus set up production centers in countries where the factors of production like raw materials, skilled labor, etc. are assured at cheap rates. They also look for government policies that look after their interests. Ways or modes of interlinking production across countries. MNCs are spreading their production and interacting with local producers in various countries across the globe by setting up partnership with local companies, by using local companies for supplies, by competing with local companies or buying them up. Due to their strong influence, productions of MNCs in widely dispersed locations is getting interlinked. Some modes that interlink production across countries are as follows. Number 1. Foreign Direct Investment, FDI. It is an investment made by a company or entity based in one country, usually an MNC, into a company or entity based in another country. MNCs set up the production units through investment in the concerned country, either by setting up factories or offices in the foreign country. The money that is spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines, and other equipment is called investment. And any investment made by MNCs is called foreign direct investment. An investment is made with the hope to earn profits. Number 2. By entering into partnerships or joint venture. Sometimes MNCs join hands with local companies and produce jointly. This way, local company can get twofold production. First, MNCs can provide money for additional investments like buying new machines for faster production. And secondly, MNCs might bring latest technology with them for production. Number 3. Buying out local companies or takeovers. The most common route adopted by MNCs is to buy local companies and expand production. A wealthier MNC can easily do so. In fact, many of the top MNCs have wealth exceeding the entire budgets of the developing country's government. This way, they have much power and influence. An example of merger of local company by an MNC is Cargill Foods. It is a very large American MNC which bought Parak Foods after starting a joint venture with it. An Indian company which had 4 edible oil refining units and a large marketing network in all over India. Now, Cargill is the largest producer of edible oil in India, with capacity to produce 5 million pouches daily. Now, giving orders or contracts to local companies for supplies. Another method of controlling production by MNCs is by placing orders around the world with a large number of small producers of items like garments, footwears, sports items, etc. Then the MNC sell these products under its brand name. The MNC determines the price, quality, delivery, and the labor conditions for these distant producers. Thank you.